musical that I wrote about what I thought it was going to be like going into high school, the peer pressures of high school and how to deal with that. So I'm going to get my diary right now, and I'm going to perform for you with Corey this little scene. Now, because I wrote this when I was a teenager, we're going to perform it how we think we might have performed it when we were teens for you, just to give you a full production value. So Corey's going to be playing the role of Shelly, which is the girl I made up in my head who was popular and cool, and I'll be playing the role of myself. This is what high school is like, just in case you're wondering. Scene. Colleen and Shelly are standing at the high school, just hanging out. Colleen is excited, and Shelly looks cool. Hi, Shelly.
Oh, hey, Colleen.
So, how's puberty going?
Nah, how's choir?
It was the bomb. I tried talking to you on AIM last night, but you didn't respond. What's up with that?
I don't know. Hey, I'm going to a party tonight. You want to come?
Well, sure. I've never been to a party before. I'm nervous and scared and excited. Lord, help me to do the right thing when I'm there and not be tempted by Satan.
Later that night.
Whoa. Wow, something exploded. That's not part of the scene. Are we safe? You just screamed so loud. What was that? Oh my goodness, the Lord scared the gay right out of you.
I'm straight.
Okay. Wait, no, for real, what was that? I looked at it like, what exploded right here? Let me look. Are we safe, Sean?
We're okay.
He's thumbs up. Yeah, okay. Just glass shattering. Wait.
Later that night.
Okay. Wow, cool party!
I agree. Hey, I have an idea. Why don't we drink alcohol?
No way! WWJD!
Oh, Lee, if we don't drink, everyone's gonna think we're losers.
Shelly, don't do it! Bye 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 starts to play, and Shelly grabs a beer.
I'm doing this tonight. You're probably gonna start a fight.
You know this isn't right. Oh, Shelly, come on.
I know that I'm sinning, so Satan set me free. 'Cause I just want to drink, so leave me alone.
Oh God, I can't take it no more. Hear my cry. He's leading me out that door. Shelly, bye, bye, bye.
Peer pressure made me disobey the Lord. I'm not gonna follow his word no more. You may hate me, but it ain't no lie. Bye, 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 bye.
Shelly drinks the beer. She is very drunk. Shelly, are you okay?
Shut up.
Shelly, you're drunk.
I just want to do drugs.
And that was the day Shelly died.